Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Draftsight tutorial how to insert an image. So if you want to insert image, you can type image attach and press enter. Now choose your image. As example, I will use this image. Click open and be sure for attach reference image. At this option, I will use the default and then you can click OK. Now you can click on the drawing area and you can resize the image, click to apply. Okay, to insert image, you can type image attach, press enter and then searching for your image. As example, we can set this image, click open, click OK, and then you can click in your drawing area. Okay, that's it for basic Draftsight tutorial, how to insert an image. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.